for me, it really affected the time that only sikat to Mayo. But a trend is next story na po, di ba? So, but that really affected a little bit on the SWS survey. I've seen it drop in some places, especially in the Visayas, which is dugay naman to. So, good rasat kay sa una pa. And approaching now, if you look at the postings of Kiko, even in national newspapers, positive na, delete na tong mga inato. So,
survey we're already at 11, rank 11, and
yeah.
then we're increasing. Ang momentum is it's increasing.
One of the few senators mga going up, no? Kani atong mga kauban na senator, gamay na sila, going up sila. So, with your question, yes, but the nice thing about it came very early. And then now people are realizing, entertainment naman to, di ba? And then slowly transforming into something more real na ilahan because election is coming, di ba?
The propaganda is still marketing and fun.
Yeah, so
publicity, still publicity.
we have to, may lang din pag-manage sa team. I think it was well managed. Now you can see it plus na, may na good comments na. I monitor that also.
On ground, and then at the same time, what we practice in our home, akong mama, if she is looking for videos na chill as at tinuot na siya, will help her educate. Importante kayo mag-educate ka sa tao, dili kayo mo siya perni i-bash mo na uy ka na pataka ra makapaminaw or pataka ra maka sabot or tuuan na. So educate them, journey with them. Okay, importante kayo. And then akong mama, she don't take it na ma-hurt siya if we will be correcting her. Instead, mas ganahan siya. Later on, as we volunteer, and my siblings and I are volunteers as well since 2012 elections, na-convert ako mama sa. And then she's also voting for those candidates na na-track record, na-credentials, kayang panindigan para sa tuwang ko.
Can we just have a confirmation?
You can answer your question.
For social media, that's what we are doing. We have different social media accounts. Facebook page naman for Kiko, which is entitled Kiko So. We also have different social media pages from different youth volunteer groups in Cebu. For us lang, with regards to the fake news on social media right now, we're trying to battle that by posting, of course. That's the force that we can do to post what he's been doing to battle, to fight against what people are sharing on social media, mga splice video about him eating in a caldero. We've tried, also the team of Kiko Pangilinan has been creating content to fight those misinformations online. And in Cebu, aside from online, we have been going around in the whole Cebu campaigning for Kiko Pangilinan on grounds and doing house-to-house campaign, the traditional house-to-house campaign that we are doing, telling and encouraging Cebuano voters nga. In the previous years, Kiko Pangilinan has won in Cebu. This year, in 2025, naugod niya hapon na si Kiko.